Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this Hummer H2 2008 model, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to upgrade the headlights to LED. The kit that I have here today is by Woxma, and I'll have a link down below in my description box if you guys also want to upgrade with a great set of LED headlights. So please check that out in the description box down below. And I'm also going to be giving one away to one of you lucky viewers, and all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment down below on this video. And on March 30th, I'm going to be selecting one random comment from this video, and I'm going to be announcing it on that video on March 30th. And also make sure to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when that video is uploaded and to see if you've won. And now let's get started with this upgrade. The box and the packaging is very elegant, and so are the LED headlights themselves. And one great thing about this kit is that they include the resistors inside, so everything is plug and play. You don't have to splice any wires, you don't have to make any resistors or anything. You just plug the resistor into the headlight and it's ready to work. We're going to start off by opening the hood, open it from the inside, and then open up these latches. And then lift it from the center. It's very easy to locate the headlight assembly on the Hummer, and it's also very easy to work with. It's on the hood side that's lifted up. We're going to start off by removing the wiring harness from the headlight. With that off, we're going to twist off the socket ring. It's this gray ring. It's going to counterclockwise twist off, and then you should be able to pull the bulb straight out. And now grab your new LED headlight. We're going to twist the new socket off of it, and then it's quite simple. It's just like a puzzle piece. You're going to put it in the correct way. One dimple is bigger than the other, so make sure you align it, and it's going to push right into place. And then reinstall the gray socket ring that we previously took off. And then you're going to do the same thing with the new LED headlight. It's going to go in only one way. You're going to match the cuts, put it in, and then give it about a quarter turn twist. It should lock into place. Then connect the new wiring. And now the last step left is to mount this resistor somewhere. Just make sure you don't mount it on a plastic area, because these do tend to get hot and you don't want something to end up melting over time. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Here's a comparison of the original halogen headlight that comes on the Hummer H2. And on the other side is the new WOXMA LED headlight that we just installed. I would recommend this upgrade to anyone with the Hummer H2. It's a really nice upgrade. And if you guys enjoyed this video, like always, please hit the like and share button, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.